Dear AI aspiring engineer, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. In the statistics, we try to see the level of measurement types. So, in the numerical, in the quantitative measurements, we try to see the interval and ratio. So, which we have told that we try to cover in the next video. So, in this video, we try to cover what is meaning of an interval and ratio. These are the level of a measurement like a quantitative. The quantitative mean numericals. So, first, there is a lot of a confusion between the interval and ratio. So, in this video, we try to break it out. First, the interval. The interval does not have a true zero. It doesn't have any true zero value. Temperature in a Celsius and Fahrenheit, there is no a true zero value. Like a ZMAT score from 200 to 800, we didn't find a true zero. Credit card score, it is 300 to 850, we didn't have the true zero. So this is the meaning of an interval. And now let us move to the ratio. The ratio is have a true zero value. This is nothing but the weight. Temperature in Kelvin, which is having a true zero value. It has a meaning. And distance is a zero, mean you have not at all started the journey. So that is the meaning. It has a true zero which has a meaning attached to it. Now let us move to the interval. On the interval values, we can do the mean, median and mode, that are nothing but the central tendency values, and we doesn't perform like a multiplication or a division on the interval. On the ratio, we can do the mean, median and mode, and does perform multiplication and division, and apart from that one, we can do the geometric mean. The geometric mean also we can perform. So now in the ratio, we can see how many times A person to B person, the ratio of the weight 2 times or 3 times, or how far he has moved ahead of me, a distance A person is covered, B person is covered, that we can take the ratio. But in the case of here, in the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, we cannot take such kind of ratios, because if we convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, so that ratio will not holds good, unlike a GMAT or credit score. So this is the thing. Ratio, when that is there in that unit, if you convert to the other, you cannot get the same value in the interval. But the ratio will be having the true zero, so it can the ratio is holds good. So this is the difference between the interval and ratio. Both looks like as in a similar, but the difference, ratio has a true zero value and interval doesn't have the true zero. And when you divide the value, and you can see what how many times it is higher, that holds good in the ratios only. It doesn't holds good in the interval. So if you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. The variable type which falls in the ratio, which falls in the interval, based on the context and use case only we can define. We cannot generalizely say. Based on the context and based on the usage only we try to define it. Thank you very much. We try to meet in the next video.